Hello guys! Today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ngayon how to make Nescafe Dolce Gusto sa ating coffee maker. This is Espresso coffee. There is our coffee machine. Yan lang yung share ko sa inyo today. Kung how to make Nescafe Espresso in the coffee maker. Tuturo natin step by step. Abangan nyo guys kung paano para matutunan nyo. All this is very simple how to do it, but we're gonna share for you guys. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam na gamitin yung espresso machine, then now I'm gonna show you everything to learn how to make this coffee. This is the coffee maker, and that is the coffee that we are going to use. It is the latte coffee and the espresso. See you soon guys. We'll see you later. We'll show you everything. Bye bye. Hello guys, bumalik na tayo. Ito yung gagawin natin coffee machine, Nescafe Dolce Gusto. This is coffee maker. Meron ditong back. Ito yung tank, water tank. Lalagyan natin to ng water. It's up to you. Pwede naman natin punuin ng water to. Yan. Ito yung water tank. Then, ito yung sa back. Lagay lang natin dito sa back. Wait, merong wire. Yung wire kasi niya sumingit doon sa lagay. And then, yan. Ito yung coffee maker. Para uminit, ito yung power button. I-press lang natin. Then, di ba red? Hihintayin natin yan mag-green. Ilagay na natin dito yung bottle. Yan o, hintayin natin yan mag-green. Itong power button, ibig sabihin, gusto yung nagpapainit pa siya ng water dun sa nilagay natin sa back. Yan, nag-green na siya. Meaning, pwede na nating lagyan ng Nescafe. Ito, may 2 types kaming Nescafe dito. Actually, marami itong kinds. Gusto ng employer ko, itong Nescafe latte. Dito, may ano dito. I-push up lang natin. Then, kunin natin to. I-remove natin to. Then, ito. Ilagay lang natin. Yan. Then, yan. Then, ibaba uli natin to. O, diba? Kasi, naka-rating kasi dito. Ayan o. Ito yung water. Nakalagay dito hanggang ganun yung i-up natin. Yun. Kaya dito, ilalagay din natin to hanggang dito sa second to the last. Then, ito, push natin kapag ganun. Yan, you see? Ayan na yung coffee. Yung coffee latte. O, diba? Ayan na yung latte coffee. Madali lang siyang gawin. Painit mo lang yun doon. Press mo. Tapos, ayan. Yan. Tapos na tayo. Ito na yung kape. Diba? Ang ganda ng texture ng kape. Yan na yan guys. Yan lang yung share natin. Ito na nga guys. Diba? Meron pa siya ditong nakalagay na green. Tapos, para ito makuha natin yung pinaka ng Nescafe sa loob. Push up ulit natin to. Then, remove natin yun. Kasi ito, yun yung ginamit natin kanina. Ito kasi ito, tatapon na natin para mahugasan natin itong pinaka filter. Ito yung ginawa natin kaninang Nescafe Dolce Gusto. na latte. Ito, panapon na yun kasi yun yung ginamit natin. Ito yun. Actually, hindi naman siya madumi. Pwedeng hindi na yung anuhan lang natin siya. Hindi naman talaga siya madumi. Kasi may hole siya. Tapos, ibalik lang uli natin yan. Yan. Tapos, push down. Then, pwede na natin patayin. Yan, pinatay ko na siya. Ganun lang guys. Ganun lang ang paggawa ng kape. Yung lagyan lang muna ng water tank. Sa water tank, lagyan ng water. Just put water here on the water tank. Then, press this button. Actually, they will become red. Meaning, this red is running to become to heating the water on the tank. Then, when the water is hot, it will become green. The meaning when it's become green, the water already hot, then you can make coffee now. Then put here the Dolce Latte Coffee, this brand. This one is for the Nescafe Espresso. This is espresso machine. Then pull this one, put it off, then pull this out, then put the coffee here, and then put it back, and then put it down this again. Before I forgot, this one, actually this is the water guide. This, you see, this black shaded, you see the black shaded until this is showing you where you're gonna put this one. You see here until the second to the last. Then that's the reasons why I put this one here. Actually, this is down. Yeah. And then you're gonna put it up. You will follow these instructions. This is just for the water. It is for water. Because this one, I show you the other one. This is the espresso coffee. Look at this espresso coffee. This espresso coffee, they need only 2. Because this is like Turkish coffee, the espresso. You're gonna put it only here, the 2. 1, 2. Yeah. You see? You're gonna put it only 2 in the 2 lines. That is the reasons why I'm telling you that this is important, because that is the water, the water. And then that's it guys. Thank you very much. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung shinare kong video, don't forget to click like and bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga latest posts ni AJ Vlog. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Thank you so much guys. See you next time. Bye. Eto yan. Bye guys. Don't forget to hit the bell icons para lagi kang notified sa mga latest posts ni AJ Vlog. Bye.